You are so cute. You're such a special guy. Hi, Maddie. Oh, where are you going? I know, you guys like to touch each other all the time, all the time. Hi, Aiden. Oh, what's that face, Maddie? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, you're so maneuverable. Hi. Where are you going? Aiden. 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 Hi. Hi, you're so cute. Look at those cheeks. Look at those cheeks and chin. Look at those cheeks. Where'd Maddie go? She's turning her back to Mommy. She's got places to go, people to see. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going, Mad? Oh, see, she's trying to crawl. Where are you going? Oh, where are you going? Yeah, let's get away from the table. Silly girl. And let's not let brother kick you. Hi. Hi. Do you have the hiccups? You have the hiccups. See, I'm teething a lot. Brother and I are teething.